Hello and welcome to this new video on my Technik-Inhalte YouTube channel. Today we have a quick unboxing of the brand new Google Pixel 8a. But more information after the intro. Have fun! Google have presented 1 weeks before their Google I/O have 2024 have started. The Google Pixel 8a, the new mid-range smartphone, budget phone of the Google Pixel A series, and today we have a blue version with 128 GB of storage, and here you can see the rest of the package, and it's preferred to use a 7.5 to 27 watt USB power delivery charger, but we don't want to see the package. We want pack out the new Pixel 8a. So then let's open it with this cool sliders like a Apple iPhone package. And now here it is, the new Pixel 8a in the beautiful color version Bay. Then let's pull it out and lay beside. Then let's look on the rest of the delivery. And we have here, first of all, a USB-A to USB Type-C adapter to transfer all data to the new device or to use any other USB devices on the Android phone. And something else, yes. Of course, a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. I think it's a USB version 2 cable, and maximum 1 meter long. And then at the last we have, let's put it back, a SIM eject tool and some paper informations. Here a very short quick start guide, go g.com pixel help oder g.com/switch to pixel and protection, pixel/protection, and then the quick start guide in many thousands of languages. But we want to look at this beautiful smartphone, the Google Pixel 8a. But first of all, let's put off this paper, where we can see in this area is the fingerprint scanner under the display. And on the left side we find the SIM card tray for the nano SIM card. Oh, it looks like, no, it's not a kratzer, it's not a scratch. And on the right side we find the on and off button, the power button, over the volume up and volume down. And it's a beautiful aluminum blue. And then on the back side we have a plastic, not glass for this price, but it's a high quality, I think. And then we have at the back a 64 megapixel main camera and a 13 megapixel ultra wide camera, and then at LED the flash, LED flash. And the Google logo is on the back also. And then let's pull off the paper. Nice. And turn on this new nice smartphone. And then we'll tell you the rest of the specs. Then the Google Pixel 8a is coming with Android 14, and the SoC is the Google Pixel Tensor G3 from last year, 2023, and paired with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of UFS 3.1 storage in this case. And at the top we have also a 13 megapixel selfie cam. And that's what was it, the unboxing of my Google Pixel 8a. I hope you have enjoyed. Please subscribe if you don't forgot any other videos of the Pixel 8a, and comment if you have some critique, and I would be happy if you like the video, and also share this with your network, friends, family and else. And then we will see in the next video. Bye!